Hello dear students, in today's session we will be learning the first chapter in geography. The name of the chapter is Field Visit. In geography, we learn about many things. We learn physical features like mountainous region, coastal region, plateaus, plains. We also learn about the climate of the place, then human resources, wildlife, occupations of the people and many other things. We learn about many such things in geography. But do we remember all such things for a longer period of time? No. Why? Because human tendency is to forget all bookish knowledge. But when we visit a particular region, then we study it closely, we observe it closely, and therefore we remember it for a longer time. This is the practical knowledge of the region. So field visits are the visits which are arranged to study the places. Here we come to know the purpose of the field visit. The purpose of the field visit is to observe the subjects in its natural place and possibly collect samples. Second, to study the concept of particular area. And the third one, to understand the correlation between human and environment. What is field visit? A field visit or a study tour is a journey taken by a group of people to a place away from their usual environment. In other words, field visit is defined as a visit to an outside area of the normal classroom in order to get first-hand information of the particular place. Let us start with the importance of questionnaire. The questionnaire should be prepared in such a way that it will give the clear or the vivid view of the place or the person which you are visiting. It should cover all the important aspects that we have to study while visiting a place. All of you know that planning is the part and parcel of human being. Each and every action of the human being is well planned in advance. Field visit too requires a lot of planning and preparation. The first and the most important step in the preparation for the field visit is deciding the place of the field visit. The place may be a dam, a river, a sanctuary, a tribal village, a seashore, or a fort. Next step in preparation for the field visit is deciding the purpose of the field visit. Preparation of the schedule for field visit is the most important part. We have to collect the location map, important documents, and all the required materials while going on a field visit. The most important part of the field visit is preparation of the questionnaire. It is based on the questionnaire that the people concerned will be interrogated. You have to ask the question in such a way that the maximum information about the life of the people or the place can be obtained through this questionnaire. Thus, preparation for the field visit is very important. As said earlier, one of the important steps in preparation of the field visit is carrying certain essential material. Now children, do you know what essential material we have to carry along with us? Yes, we have to carry our identity card. Second, the writing material which consists of notebook, pen and pencil. The scale too forms an important material. The binoculars will help you to observe the things. The cameras with which you will clip the pictures will be the important material. Next, we have to carry the location map so that it will help us in our journey. The cap to save you from the sunshine during the visit. The water bottle and your lunch is also an important thing. The last but not the least, the questionnaire which you have prepared earlier as the preparation for the field visit is an essential thing. So let us start. When we go for a picnic, the aim of the picnic is just an entertainment. But the field visits are totally different. They are arranged for a specific purpose. When we visit a tribal village, for example, we study about their climatic condition of the place. We study about their occupation, their life, and many things. We meet the people, we ask for the information, and then we come to certain conclusion. Students should essentially learn the management of litter during the field visit. They should carry as little disposable items as possible. They should carry lightweight aluminum plates and cups which can be brought back instead of disposable plates and cups which increase the pollution in the environment. We have to carry garbage bags and collect all the unavoidable trash into the bag which has to be brought back to your place and disposed of safely so that the litter management will be done. After the completion of the field visit, each and every student has to write a field report based on the observations and the information collected by him during the field visit. The report should include the information of the place based on the graph, chart, photographs, etc. The questionnaire which he has prepared before visiting a place will help him a lot by preparing the report. Now, let us review what we have learned in this chapter. We have learned what is field visit, what is the importance of field visit, and what items will you carry while you are on a field visit, how to manage the litter during the field visit, and the report writing of the field visit. Thank you.